Maya, coming to you with another video. And in this video I'm going to be planning my Christmas dinner menu, or my Christmas Day menu actually. I'm just gonna grab myself maybe a gold pen. We'll do this. Oh, hopefully it shows up nicely. And I also got my stickers here, so we can actually start with the sticker. So this is my Christmas Day menu that we're doing. So I keep seeing this this shadow, my friends, and I don't like it. And I told you before, I don't know how to figure this out. So let's make our Christmas Day menu. And there's no rhyme or reason to how I'm laying this out. I'm just making it my own. This is my Christmas Day menu, my friends, and the stickers that I'm using is actually the one that I got from Dollarama. I can link that haul below so that you guys can see when exactly I got this one. I'm also going to use some different things. As I said, I'm going to just make it cute for me. Okay, so let's get maybe some stuff in here, and I'm going to use maybe some arrows. I'm going to use this arrow because I need to. I have some Christmas decorations that I'm also going to use as well. And yeah, I'm going to use maybe this design here to separate each section. Nice, that looks pretty so far. And I'm going to grab myself a red pen, and I'm going to put breakfast in here. Okay, and then let's add in what I'm going to have for breakfast on Christmas Day. This is the plan, my friends. And I also have my gel pens. They write beautifully. So I'm also going to use these in my planning as well. So for breakfast, I want to have, I'm going to move this out of the way because it's casting a shadow. And I'm going to put this back in the mini so you guys can see. And I have to turn my page a little bit, right? So hope you guys can still see that. Okay, so for my breakfast, I'm going to have some ackee because I hope you guys can see that. Some ackee. My daughter loves ackee. And I'm gonna have it with some saltfish. Okay, so that, I don't know if I like this one. So I have ackee here and some saltfish for breakfast, and I'm going to add some festivals that goes well with the ackee and saltfish, right? So I'm gonna put festival. Oh, this is a nice one. Festival. So ackee saltfish festival. I think I'm gonna continue writing with this one, and then I'm gonna have also some beef kidney because I love kidney during the holiday season. And I'm going to also put a link for my beef kidney. So ackee and saltfish festival beef kidney. I love to have some green banana as well, so I'm going to put green banana. And I'm also going to put a link below of how I cook my green banana in the skin. Okay. Oh, you can't go without having, you know, some tea. or coffee. So we got breakfast all covered. So we're gonna have ackee and saltfish, some vegetables, some beef kidney, green bananas, and some tea or coffee. Make it nice and festive. Let's move on now to lunch. And I'm going to put an arrow. Yes, I'm gonna use this arrow now. I like how it's looking so far. You can make this your own as well, right? So let's go over here. I'm gonna set this arrow here so that we know that this way for lunch. So let's get a border for lunch as well. I'm gonna use this one. It looks like a olive branch. I don't know. I still haven't figured out this lighting as yet, my friends. These are quite delicate. You gotta handle them with care, right? Okay, so over here, I'm going to have my, I guess my branch or whatever it is right here. This is a border. And I'm gonna grab my pen again. Let's do lunch with blue. No, actually, not. It's not a lunch that I'm gonna do. I'm actually going to do a I'm gonna use maybe a brown. I'm gonna use a brown, and I'm actually going to do a hot chocolate station. So let's set it up here. Ooh, this is nice, hot. I'm gonna put chocolate. I hope you guys can see. Oh, hey. And I'm gonna put station. So a hot chocolate station right here, because I find that when we do have breakfast, we don't want anything else but some nice hot chocolate in there, and my family is usually good to go. So a hot chocolate station, and I'm going to have on my hot chocolate station hot chocolate for sure. So I'm gonna grab back my, oh, let's do maybe, ooh, I'm just excited about using my gel pens. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate. Oh. Ooh, I spelled that wrong. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate. Oh. Okay. And this for sure is, I'm gonna put Jamaican style. Okay, so we're gonna have some hot chocolate, and in between there, I'm also going to have some cookies with it. So hot chocolate, cookies. So it's a hot chocolate station. So I'm gonna have a little bit of goodies in there. I'm gonna put also a link below to this video as well, my friends. By the time this come out, these will follow as well. So some cookies. Now the breakfast, I'm going to get up early in the morning. So I'm gonna actually put the time here. I'm gonna put the time with my red pen. So breakfast, I'm gonna make it 6 a.m. to whatever, right? And then the hot chocolate station will stay out all day. I'm not really worried about that. So I'm gonna have the hot chocolate station. It's gonna have some goodies to make up your own hot chocolate and stuff. And then I'm going to have Jamaican style hot chocolates and some cookies to go along with there. So you know, if anyone feels a little bit peckish, they're welcome to do that. Okay, so let's move along, and I'm gonna plan for dinner. I'm getting this one. Nice little arrow, and I'm gonna send the arrow this way. All right, and I'm going to put stick a little feather underneath there. Oh, that doesn't look so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna actually put dinner. Let's do some. And I'm gonna use the gold stamps. Make the word dinner. Okay, so there's my dinner. It's a little bit rustic, I should say, but that's how I want it. Okay, so for my dinner now, my friends, let's do the dinner menu. And on my dinner menu this year, I want a simple dinner. I don't want to go overboard. Just a simple dinner will do. I'm going to grab my red pen again. And for dinner, I just want just a Canadian dinner. You know what I mean? Nothing too fancy, nothing over the top, okay? For dinner, um, I'm going to have some smoked ham. No, I haven't decided if I'm gonna buy the ham already smoked or do it myself. I haven't decided yet. So we're gonna do some smoked ham. I'm also going to do some turkey wings because you can't have Christmas without turkey. Um, and I don't want to buy like a whole big turkey, and you know I love the wings, so we're gonna have some turkey wings. I'm also going to have some mashed potatoes. See, simple, so simple Christmas dinner. And I'm also going to have some corn at the side. Nothing fancy, nothing over the top. And then I'm going to have some, just some fruit punch, my style. I also have a recipe for fruit punch, and I'm also going to put that link below. Okay, so here it is, my dinner. So for dinner, I'm going to have some smoked ham, some turkey wings, mashed potatoes, some corn on the side, nothing over the top. Normally I'll have some oxtail in there, some curry goat. No, not this time around. Something simple, something easy. I'm actually going to change pens, and let's do maybe a bright pink. Yeah, maybe a purple. Oh, maybe a pink. Let's go pink. Okay, and then for dessert, I'm gonna put dessert. Oops. For dessert, I'm going to have, let's go, maybe purple. Just some apple crisp. I have some lazy apple crisp that I'm gonna do some apple crisp. And I'm also going to have, no, I'm gonna put it with some vanilla ice cream. I just want, as I said, a simple thing. Actually, for the dinner, I was going to make it a little bit earlier also. I don't want a late meat anymore because breakfast is 6 o'clock. In between, we can have like the hot chocolate station, and then usually because we have such a big breakfast, we always skip lunch and go straight to dinner. So dinner, I think dinner is going to be from maybe I'm gonna say 4 p.m. to maybe 6, right? So we have time to kind of wash up and wash the dishes and stuff. And usually on Christmas Day, we play a game or two. We play a couple of games in there and stuff like that. Okay, so let's just decorate my Christmas menu. And I'm going to, of course, grab some Christmas tree. This is the best time to use up these, right? So hope you guys can see that. Christmas tree. Ooh, can't have a Christmas tree without reindeer. Oh, there's, use up these nice, lovely stickers. These stickers are from the Dollar Tree. It's in my recent haul. You're going to get to see that haul. You see, I still don't know how to place the lighting to get like a perfect lighting, guys. Sorry, I'm always complaining about the same thing, but I can't seem to get it right. I'm gonna throw in some poinsettias in here as well. Nice poinsettias. I'm also going to place a bell in here, right over on the Christmas tree, right over on the breakfast menu. I'm also going to, I feel like you can't, oh, let's do Santa that says Merry Christmas. I'm just going to put him under here so people know this is a Christmas menu. Anybody doesn't like it, that's too bad, right? Joy to the world. Stick some of that in there. I already told the girls that Christmas is gonna be simple and stress-free. Let's stick another Santa somewhere near the tree. Okay, and I'm also gonna get some gifts. There's the sticker gifts. I'm gonna place it under the, oh, what is this? Some cotton ball. Create the Christmas strip underneath the tree. I have these and I'm dying to use them, so let's let's get these opened and used up as well. Oh, come on. I hope you guys can see this nice, how pretty it looks. It looks so beautiful. Ooh. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so let's get some, I'm gonna put some, this looks like some hot chocolate. Let's put some hot chocolate near the hot chocolate bar. Maybe some cakes down here too at the coffee bar, because you know we're gonna have some of that as well. I can have, and maybe some cupcakes down where the dessert is so that people can know. Look down, there's a dessert. I like how it looks, my friends. Nothing over the top, nothing, you know, it looks good. I really like it. That's very pretty. That's, oh, let me just put some snowflakes in here randomly. So I'm actually going to put maybe something that talks about God. I'm going to put Yes Lord in here as well on my menu, because I know if it wasn't him, this wouldn't be possible for me to be planning a, I'm just going to put it here, Yes Lord, and also maybe peace, right? Just randomly put them in. And that's it, my friends. Beautiful. That is my Christmas Day menu. So now you know what I'm gonna have for breakfast. Now you know what I'm gonna have throughout the day, and then for dinner it's going to be easy, light, and that's it. Thank you for watching, my friends. Don't forget, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better.